Hello everyone, this is Isabel. Today is going to show you how I optimize multiple layer into one layer in Disguise to increase the frame rate and make everything smooth. We have some testing limitation for each kind of different server, how many layer, how many hot kind of layer you can have in the Disguise website. You can just take a look in the description. And in this tutorial, I'm using the example from my previous freelance case, the theater show called One Breeze in Taiwan, and the show is produced by Zhang Zhao Opera Lab, 老张老赵音乐剧实验室. I will just put their information in the description. They are having a new show in Taiwan recently, and it's quite interesting. If you are there, make sure to take a look. And in this example, I'm just using two content. One is a loop rolled film, and another one is just a sakura flower flying down. Using these two content to make 4 different kind of common background usually used in projection in theater scenario. Let's take a look. Now we are going to use feed recording to output this result into feed video file for each cue. It can increase the frame rate. It's a nice trick for content creator to decrease the layer we need and having a more good control. Let's go to feed right now. Right click on it and we can add virtual head, which is the feed output. And the feed recording will output every feed output with setting here. So for example, right now we have 2 right now. And then you can choose different resolution right here. Go to the project setting, we can choose the video format we need right here. And then putting the resolution we need right here. You just can tweak around and you will have some notification to remind the limitation we have right now. For the laptop designer license, it's on the 4K resolution. And now click shift and drag, right click, you can select and right click, and then you can put in the name of the feed you want and click OK. And then after that, now it's just rendering that video in this queue. Wait until it runs through all the section we just select. Now it's finished. We go to the Digital Manager, open the folder, go to Output and Feed. Let's check. So we got the one road mapping, another virtual head one, just interface. Okay, it's great. After just close it. We don't need that. We just want to create a queue. Just want to show you we can generate multiple files at the same time as long as you have that. Doing the same thing again, and then this one is the Q1. Waiting, it's rendering. Shift, drag, put in the name, Q2, OK, and going render. Looking right now, this queue is in the loop setting on the timeline, but when we output it, it is not going to render the looping result, but that is totally fine, because when we put it back, we can still set up the loop feature on the timeline again to make it loop again. Now it's running forward. go to another track and open the output and then select a file we're just rendering, LoQ1234, and put it into our content folder path object video file. And I'm going to make a new folder to make it more organized. Sakura. Yeah, we paste here. Making a new layer, video layer. Q1 video. Yeah. Select the Sakura folder and then choose the content we just create. Split it to make it Q2. Every time we split it, it's going to make another Q. And Q2. Choose to content 2. Q3. And then next one, Q4. So we can see right now we have just one layer on each Q. And then now in setting back it to a loop, set how long, how duration we want to fade looping back. Just right click and select the crossfade. And now let's check. Great! Hope this is helping and see you next time.